If you want to delve into something a little traditional this Thanksgiving season, you should try Beaujolais Nouveau. Beaujolais Nouveau is the harvest wine of France. Basically, it's made from the 100% Gamay grape grown in the region of Beaujolais in central eastern France, just south of Burgundy and north of the Rhone. And what they do is they use a method called carbonic maceration that ferments the wine and the juice as quickly as possible. Basically, instead of crushing the grapes, they chuck the grapes full cluster into a big tank, seal it, and that forces them to start fermenting in the grape themselves and rapidly produces the alcohol. The wine's known for its kind of fresh, light style, usually has a purpley color to it, and pairs wonderfully with things like Thanksgiving dinner or heavier meals when you need something to kind of refresh the palate as you're cruising through dinner. This particular wine is made from Jean-Paul Brun, located down around the village of Charnay in southern Beaujolais. It is made from 100% Gamay grape, and his 2010 Beaujolais Nouveau is grown on old vines there. Most winemakers in Beaujolais tend to use a laboratory-created yeast called 7-1B. It was developed in Holland from tomato plants. Instead, Jean-Paul Brun allows the wild yeasts that are on the grape itself and in the vineyard to do the fermentation for him. What that does is it creates a better sense of place. It creates a better kind of characterful wine. Typically, 7-1B yeast, the laboratory-made yeast, gives it a very banana-noted wine. It's a fairly fruity, kind of one note, and fairly simple. Whereas this in particular has a nice kind of clove and olivey note, in addition to strawberry and rhubarb flavors as well, and is wonderfully refreshing with high acidity, and is a great thing for this Thanksgiving season.